I just want to show you guys on a Cadillac Concours DeVille 1996 what I had to do to unclog the drainage of a sunroof. What I did is I had to go in. Here's the drains on the side of the sunroof right here, and there's one on that side. I didn't see any on the back drains back there, but what I ended up having to do is I had to pull the hose, the complete panel out here at the top. I don't know if you can see up in here, but I had to pull this all apart. I had to take it, the screws are loose for the visor and for getting it out the door. I had to pull it off of the inside up there of the sunroof. It's a little plug, and then it's on the end of here. I don't know if you can see the end of here. I had to pull that off. I had to take a wire hanger, and I'll show you the hanger I had to use. I took this wire hanger, and right here in this little smashed up part here in the hose, I had to scrub down in there. I know they say don't do that, but that was all caked up with black debris, so I had to scrub all of that stuff out of there. And then what I did is I took a little cup of water and poured it down here, and it's draining fine. That's the drain right there. You can see it between the two doors. That's the drain that you have to that drains out right there. And what I did is I used weed whacker wire and all that stuff. That stuff none of that worked. I mean, this car is older, so I don't think it ever been done, so that's probably why it was caked up like that. But that's what I had to do to unclog the hose on a 1996 Cadillac Concours, as you can see. So all right, that's my video. Thank you for watching.